IRCTC Weekly Chart. CMP 808.60. The Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, IRCTC, is a public sector undertaking that provides catering, ticketing, and tourism services for the Indian Railways. IRCTC was established in 1999 by the Government of India and is a Schedule, Mini-Ratna listed company under the Ministry of Railways. Stock is moving into ascending triangular pattern. Seems like it's forming cup and handle pattern also. Stock is trading near its multi-year demand zone. Expecting good bounce from there. Keep this stock in your watch list for paper trade only. Life Insurance Corporation of India has increased their holding from 8.98% to 9.58% during the last quarter, that is September 2024. Caution, weak below 713.
Clean Science and Technology Limited Weekly Chart CMP 1299.30. Clean Science and Technology Limited was originally incorporated as SRI Distichemi Private Limited on the 7th of November 2003 in Pune, Maharashtra as a private limited company. Thereafter, name of the company changed to Clean Science and Technology Private Limited, pursuant to a resolution passed by shareholders in an extraordinary general meeting, held on the 31st of July 2006. Subsequently, company was converted into a public limited company on the 25th of February 2021 and consequently, name of the company was changed to Clean Science and Technology Limited pursuant to a fresh certificate of incorporation, issued by ROC on the 4th of March 2021. The company is engaged in the manufacturing and export of various types of chemicals, mainly mech, guaiacol, 4-MAP at its manufacturing plant at Kirkham Mid, Pune. Stock is near at its multi-year support zone. Seems like stock price is forming cup and handle formation. Stock may show good bounce from its multi-year demand zone. Keep this stock in your watch list for only paper trade. Caution, weak below 1,100.
Disclaimer, I am not Securities and Exchange Board of India registered analyst or an advisor. Here I am posting my view only. Market may react totally opposite also. This video is only for an educational purpose, not a buy-sell recommendation. Do your own diligence or consult your financial advisor before taking any position. You may suffer big loss also. So act wisely. I will not be responsible for any kind of profit or loss.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon and comment which stocks analysis do you want in next video.